is wrong with you? What have I done to you in this house? Why do you keep on treating me this way?
That is because you are nobody. You slapped me. I don't blame you. You want to prove to me that you're a woman. That was the way you convinced me 4 years ago. You divorced Sarah and get married to you.
I don't want you to mention her name ever again in this house. Don't you ever try that again. I made you who you are, Kevin. Isn't that enough?
You made me who I am without a child.
You scream a lot.
And who are you?
Amy. We packed in yesterday. My mom went out and I couldn't take some sleep because of your screaming.
We're sorry. Just sorry.
I don't need your apology. Did you apologize to her?
What about good morning?
I don't see how someone who stopped me from catching a wing yesterday will be needing my greeting this morning.
How old are you? You are too smart for your age. Where's your mother?
She's not around.
She's not around. Do you have any sisters or brothers?
You ask too much questions for your age.
I want you little tongue to mind your business. I don't like kids. I don't like kids, please.
And you will continue not to have one.
Told you to knock before you enter into my office.
I did. Maybe you were too busy.
Fine, what is it?
Oh, nice questions. Firstly, Mr. Mecca said I should drop those files for you. And secondly, I have something good to show you that you might like.
What could this be?
Let me show you. You know I've got it. Calm down. I know you like it. I know you like it. Right. We need to learn. Let's practice. Alex, you like that?
Go to embarrassment in our face. I can't.
Like that. I'll be right back.
Not again.
What you did for her or what she did for you. Mira worked for me for 7 years, 7 good years. I remember telling you how bad it is to dissolve your relationship with Sarah to be with Mira.
You knew Mira was still?
No, but I know that infidelity has consequences. Maybe being an infertile couple can be one of them.
I am not the problem. That is, the problem is not from me.
I'm sure a doctor never said that. You men always blame the women for not having children. If you are not the problem, then why are you so afraid to see a doctor?
I know I am not the issue here. She is the problem.
Kevin, I got a call from the office today.
Okay.
Are you just going to walk away?
What happened?
Kevin, you were with another woman in the office. That is what happened.
Thank God I was with another woman in my office. Now I am back home to be with my man woman. Is that not enough for you?
You mean me?
Yes, you.
Oh God. Kelvin.
Who is that? What again?
I thought it would be nice to say hi.
I don't want your hi, you little problem. Everything just so annoying. Please excuse me.
Are you alright?
How are you? Mom is good for you. Do you want anything?
Nothing. My mom told me that I should not take something from strangers.
I'm not a stranger. I am your neighbor. Your neighbors, okay? Come here, give me a hug.
Just drop the file and leave.
I understand how hard it is for you to get upon a femme-fatale like me. But don't worry, you naughty boy. I will be right back.
What's going on now?
What?
Come on,
Forget
don't
it.
pretend as if you don't know what I'm saying. What just happened?
Don't mind her.
Really? I shouldn't mind her. See, look, come to think of it, you know, Cynthia is a very beautiful girl. Hmm?
I'm married. I don't do this.
I don't mean that. See, Kelvin, you know, just try and have a taste of good thing. I'm sure that will make you fine.
Can you calm down?
How do you expect me to calm down? Tell me, how? Just tell me. I met Kevin who he is today. Everything belongs to me, and now he wants to divorce me. And you are expecting me to calm down? How?
Where you are now, do you remember you snatched him from someone else? And the same thing is about to happen to you. You don't want to calm down.
Kevin is seeing someone else. Kevin is meeting another woman.
And who is that?
I believe she works for you. She's tall, dark, and beautiful. Yes.
Cynthia. Kelvin has definitely lost his smartness. Your wife was here, and you finally want to divorce her?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know it took me good 6 years before I could have my first child? You just got married 4 years ago. You want to divorce the marriage?
Ma.
Shh. Even your first wife, you chased her away.
I've made my decision, ma'am. I can't help it.
I've made my decision too. You can have this. I need to mind that I can't have a deranged human being like you managing my company. Francisca. Good day.
Is everything alright? Where are you going to? Obviously, the boss fired you, right?
Don't you have something good to do with your time?
Is that what you're worried about? You should be worried about going home to meet the woman you hate so much.
Please excuse me.
I hope Cynthia joins you in this hell too.
Why did you invite me here?
Okay, Kelvin, sit. I called you here to tell you I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for the loss.
Like you're sorry? Like you're sorry? It was all your plan. Now you have the job.
Kelvin, it wasn't my fault. I don't know how everything happened. It wasn't my
Please
fault.
let me close explanation. You guys never wanted anything from me. Everything I do is always negative. Congratulations, you have the job. You can take it.
Kelvin, I'm so sorry. It wasn't my fault.
I'm not in for this. Please excuse me.
Kelvin!
Whatever.
It's not my fault.
Hi.
Listen, I have enough problem already.
I need someone to play with.
I'm not interested. Please excuse me.
Please.
I said I'm not interested. I don't want to play with you. Is it my fault? Why are you disturbing me? Please get out from here. Sarah, where have you been? What are you doing here? Do you know her from somewhere?
Yes, she's my daughter.
Oh God, I'm so sorry. Where is her father? I also need to apologize to him.
I'm not married.
Please, I'm very, very sorry for this.
He gave us away.
You mean you were pregnant when you left? I didn't even know she's my daughter.
So much to the poltergeist. Trying to hold on to love, but it's frosting nice time. Much but a light from a falling sky. Apply to the forces above us like keep holding on to this present time.